Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US 11E, beginning at mile 92 as we leave the town of Jonesboro, Tennessee. Here, the local name of the highway becomes West Market Street. We continue to have a concurrency with US 321 and State Route 34. We enter Johnson City, the 8th largest city in Tennessee with a population of 71,046 as of the 2020 census. The city is primarily in Washington County but spills over into Carter and Sullivan counties. Johnson City is the principal city within the Johnson City Metropolitan Statistical Area, encompassing Carter, Unicoi, and Washington counties. In 2020, the area had around 207,285 residents. It's part of the larger Johnson City, Kingsport, Bristol, Tennessee, Virginia Combined Statistical Area, often referred to as the Tri-Cities region. This combined area ranks as the 5th largest in Tennessee, boasting a population of about 514,899 in 2020. Established in 1856 by Henry Johnson as Johnson's Depot, Johnson City quickly evolved into a vital railroad hub for the Southeast. Its downtown area became a focal point as 3 railway lines intersected there. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, it served as the headquarters for the narrow-gauge East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad and the standard-gauge Clinchfield Railroad. These railways not only facilitated travel, but also offered scenic excursion trips through the stunning Blue Ridge Mountains, showcasing remarkable feats of engineering. The Southern Railway, now Norfolk Southern, also traverses the city. In the 1920s, Johnson City gained notoriety due to its association with Appalachian bootlegging during Prohibition, earning it the moniker Little Chicago. Rumors abound about the city's ties to Al Capone's distribution network for illegal alcohol. Legend has it that Capone, a reputed Chicago gang boss, had connections to Johnson City, supposedly utilizing it as one of the distribution centers for his smuggled products. Local lore even suggests Capone was an occasional resident of Montrose Court, a luxury apartment complex now listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Today, Johnson City thrives as an economic center largely driven by East Tennessee State University and the thriving medical med-tech corridor. This corridor is anchored by prominent institutions like the Johnson City Medical Center, Niswonger Children's Hospital, Franklin Woods Community Hospital, ETSU's Gatton College of Pharmacy, and ETSU's Quillen College of Medicine. Additionally, the popular soda Mountain Dew has its roots in Johnson City, with PepsiCo introducing a malt-flavored version called Mountain Dew Johnson City Gold in tribute to the city in 2012. Here at State of Franklin Road, US 321 departs to the right. The term State of Franklin describes a proposed but unrecognized state that encompassed what is now northeastern Tennessee. It emerged in 1784 from a portion of the territory west of the Appalachian Mountains, which North Carolina had offered to Congress to settle debts stemming from the American War for Independence. The aim was to establish it as the 14th state within the burgeoning United States. Here, US 11E makes a hard curve to the left. Market Street continues off to the right as half of a couplet with Main Street, which has been running parallel to our route. We're now on John Exum Parkway, named for local John Dryden Exum, born in 1921. Exum was the commanding officer of the naval destroyer USS Noah when on February 20, 1962, it rescued Marine Colonel John Glenn 800 miles off the coast of Cape Canaveral after Glenn became the first American astronaut to orbit the Earth. For Exum's homecoming, the mayor of Johnson City declared May 4th of 1962 to be John Exum Day and dedicated the former Parkway bypass in his honor. Here, North Roan Street comes in from the right and continues straight ahead as John Exum Parkway ends. As mentioned before, the parkway was originally intended as a bypass between Market Street and Roan Street. Here we see an interchange with I-26 and US Highways 23 and 19W. We'll conclude our video at mile 99. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.